Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a mobile app for your business, and it will be a complete free and with zero coding tutorial with using Jotform in 2025. Whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, or just want an easy way to collect leads, bookings, or orders on mobile, this is the perfect tool for you. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, you just need to understand what is Jotform apps actually. So Jotform is known for online forms, but they also offer a tool called Jotform apps, which lets you build mobile-friendly apps by simply dragging and dropping elements like forms, button, videos, product listing, and more. Your app works across Android, iPhone, and tablets, and you don't even need to publish it in an app store. User can access it by a link or a QR code. So let's go and talk about part by part. So first part will be create your Jotform app. So how you can do it? First of all, you just need to visit on this jotform.com platform. So here, let me give you a physical example. So here, once you visit over here, then you just need to be sign in or logging in your free account. So once you log in, then they will give you or redirect you to the dashboard, and here you just need to be click on apps. On the apps, here you can see this is our dashboard, and here you can see this is the options, and here you just need to be click on my apps. Once you click over here my apps, then you just need to find out your apps like my apps, and then click on this my apps, and it will be give you option here. As you can see, you don't have any apps yet, so you just need to be create your apps. But you can go through this template option. If you hover on templates, then they will give you option from all these templates in this tool. So here you can see we have app template. Just click over here, and from that app templates you can see like scheduling apps, booking apps, then another HIPAA apps, and many more. So it's totally up to you what kind of apps do you want. Here we have some categories. As you can see, if you are running an calendar app, then you can go with this one. If you are like have the construction app, like business, then you can use this construction app. So it's totally up to you how you want or for which business you want to use it. So I'm going to click on this or this one. Which one I think will be good for us, I don't know, but I'm going to click on booking app. Just click on, then let's use template, and let's see what really it's work. Then we will create another app that is from the scratch. So here you can see this is the preview of our already apps and how it works. Like here you can see this is the design, and let's do it. Book here. Let's click on book here. Then they are giving us to book the form. Just click on fill out form, and then they are giving us second option. Here you just need to provide your all the necessary things, and then you will come back to this plan as you can see, and now you just need to click on submit form, and there is some couple of things is required, so we did not fulfill it. And this way you can make your Jotform mobile app through this option. So let's go and let's create an app from scratch. So here it will redirect you to this panel, and here I am going to click on my apps. Once I click over here, then they will give us options to create an app over here. Just click on create app. Once I click over here, I am going to select this start from scratch. Once it's done, then now we are in the app builder. Here's how to customize. So first of all, you need to be give an app name. You just click on app title, then click and rename it something like smart cleaning, booking, or order with spaghetti pizza. So I'm going to give, and that will be booking. And then here once it's done, you can add description. If you think that it is necessary, then you can do it. So now we will go the main thing, that is add elements, and you need to be remember you can use the drag and drop menu on the left. In the left you can see we have elements. Just click on add elements and you already get the live preview also in the right corner, as you can see it. So now I'm going to add the from over here, first row, and here booking inquiry from. So I'm going to select this one, or you can choose whatever you want. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to uncheck this one, then I will just only try the from option, then click on add from. And now here you can see if they click on the from will become something like this way. Then you can add a couple of other options like product list. Then let's paste it here. As you can see, the product list has been added. This is our product. So this is not necessary because I just exploring the elements one by one, that's why. But that's the reason I add this one. If you want to remove this thing, just click and then delete, and now you can see our things has been removed. Now here you can add heading over here. So I'm going to give a heading that will be book your building. And here you can add subheading also, enjoy your life. So I already added from, so let's talk for more from. Let's click on edit from. From that panel you can edit your form. Here this will be the form. If you want to change the from category, just click on properties. Let's click on this, and here you can see you can change the from. So I'm going to select this one, and let's click on select from, and our from has been selected. Here you can change the design. It's totally open on you. So once it's done to add this build from, then I'm going to add that will be location map. So find out the map and let's add it here, and it has been added. Now we will get to see our maps over here, like we are in right now San Francisco. But now I'm going to add a couple of other things that will be call button. So where is the call button? You can find it from that place. So here we have button options. So does we have this call button? We need to be find out it perfectly. So I'm going to add this button. Then you can add contact also. Let's go and let's go find out the contact. So where is the contact? So you can add this one instead of contact, social follow. So I'm going to add this one. So now you can change your changes on these options. You can see this is the changes. So customize each section with your branding, logo, business hours, service, etc. Let me give you a pro tip, that is use product list to let user make purchase of from for appointment scheduling. So once you're done, customize your appearance. So you just need to click the setting here. You just need to click the setting. Then you will get option for app setting. Then app name, icon, is splash screen, AI chatbot, push notification. Like just enable this one. It is really necessary. So you can change your button color, progress bar, then this customize splash screen, then customize app icon. So it give you the option like add a personalized welcome page, logo, or even a video intro using YouTube links. You can do it. Then let's go ahead and publish our app. So how we can do it? Once you are happy with app design, you just need to click on publish. Once you click over here, you will get a direct link to your app, a QR code to print share, or option to embed it in your website. As you can see, this is our link. Open in a new tab, and eventually we will see that this is our product, this is our apps. So you can share it by email, text, or social media, and user can install it on their phones home screen just like a regular app. So I hope you understand. So, and that's how you can create a free mobile app for your business using Jotform with no coding at all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and tools to grow your business in 2025. Drop your questions or the kind of app you are building in the comments. I would love to check it out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.